This is Daily Tech Now, where we cover breaking news in the tech industry every day. In today's news, ARM, a British chip maker, has recently submitted an updated IPO filing to the SEC, proposing a share price range of $47 to $51. If the share price were to reach the higher end of this range, it would value ARM at over $52 billion. This move towards an IPO comes after ARM has experienced remarkable success in recent years, as it's become the architect of choice for major hardware manufacturers. ARM is renowned for owning the intellectual property behind the computing architecture used in the majority of the world's smartphones. It licenses this technology to companies like Apple, which employs ARM's design to create custom chips for its iPhones, iPads, and Macs. The relationship between Apple and ARM dates back to 1990 when Apple was one of the founding partners of ARM. ARM has revealed that several tech giants, including Apple, Google's parent company Alphabet, Nvidia, and others, are considering investing up to $735 million in its shares as part of its plans to go public on NASDAQ. While these investments are not guaranteed, they underscore the significance of ARM in the technological industry. ARM's designs are widely used in processors for data center servers, consumer devices, and industrial products. In addition to the tech giant mentioned, chip foundry operators like Intel, Samsung, and TSMC, as well as companies like AMD and MediaTek, which create chip designs based on ARM architecture, have expressed interest in investing. Canvas Design Systems and Synopsys, which developed electronic design automation software for processor development, have also shown interest. This interest from various players could potentially lead to ARM achieving a market capitalization of $52 billion and gaining nearly $5 billion in new capital as part of its IPO. ARM's decision to go public is driven primarily by SoftBank, which acquired the company in 2016 for $32 billion, taking it private. After the IPO, only a small fraction of ARM's shares will be traded on the New York Stock Exchange, while the majority will still remain with SoftBank. ARM is seeking to use the ARM symbol for its New York Stock Exchange listing. It is worth noting that ARM's current peak valuation of $52 billion is considerably lower than the earlier projections that had placed the figure closer to $70 billion. In fact, the initial IPO filings in April had estimated ARM's value at around $64 billion. The most recent annual revenue reported in March amounted to $2.68 billion, showing a 1% drop compared to the previous year. This slight decline has led some to question the wisdom of such a potentially high valuation, as it may take some time to fully recoup the investment. Nevertheless, even with $47 to $51 price range, the IPO would represent a significant increase in the value compared to SoftBank's $32 billion acquisition price. This has been your daily tech news, and please subscribe and come back tomorrow for more.